Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi Arts. Today I am going to show you how to crochet fingerless mittens. I had so many requests on please show how to make fingerless gloves or fingerless mittens, you can say, and you can see it how does it looks. And for embellishment I'll be using over here a flower, and I'm going to show you in this video how to make this flower also. So let's get started. For this I am using the yarn I'm using is Katia Polaris from Spain, and it is very soft as you can see, and it is very warm also, and it is going to be a perfect match for your winters. So please, if you like my video, please click on the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and do share my videos also. So let's get started. For this I am using 3.5 mm hook, and you'll be needing a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. Starting with chain 13, first you have to make a slip knot. There are many different ways of how to make slip knot. The one I am using is very simple. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After making 13 chains, you have to skip one stitch, and into the second one you are going to do a single crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both of the loops. This is called a single crochet. Now for the wrist we are going to do the ribbing pattern, as I have also showed you the ribbed caps and all that. So for the wrist we are going to do this pattern. For the band, like see, first the band part is going to be made, and then we are going to work in straight down. Okay, so in total we will have 12 single crochets. And this was the last one. Now we have 12 single crochets. What we have to do, chain 1, turn your work, and as you can see there are 2 loops of a stitch, and you only have to work into the back loop. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We are going to do this . Chain 1, turn your work, and again we are only going to work into our back loop. In this way our wristband will be made. So now as you can see, it becomes like a mountain. See, over here a line is formed, and in this way we are going to continue and make a whole band at the size of our wrist. So in this way I have made 2 lines, and I am on the 3rd line. In this way I am going to make 30 lines for this. So I have completed my band part over here, and as you can see these hills on the top, like let me show you like this. Now you can see these are to be counted, and these has to be 16. So I have made 16 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. These are the 16 lines, and keep this thing in mind that when we are going to work 2 single crochet lines, the line of 2 single crochet make this one line. So means there are total 32 lines of single crochets, and we have only worked in the back loop. You can also see on your wrist that it's fine or not. I think it's enough for my size, so I have made 32 lines back and forth. So for the medium you can make 30, this is the medium size, and for the small size you can make 30. It means 15 rows like this, 15 lines. And for the large size you can make 34, means you can make 17 lines. Okay, so now we are going to join them together. For the joining, you simply have to do is, you simply have to single crochet all the way around. No, you don't have to single crochet, you have to do slip stitch, or you can also do a single crochet, no problem at all. But make sure that your single crochet doesn't have to be too tight, otherwise your band will not look good. So in this way we are going to join and make a band. Our band will complete once we have joined it with the single crochet. Once you have joined your band, it will look something like this, and now we have to turn it like this. So now our band is ready, as you can see, and now we are going to work single crochet all the way around over here like this. Okay, and a single crochet in each of this stitch like this, as I have done in this row. And after that we are going to start the line of double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. We are going to make 5 double crochet lines after making a line of single crochet. I have completed the round of single crochet, and now I am going to proceed with the line of double crochet. Okay, so for that you have to chain 3, or you can also chain 2, but over here I am using chain 3 because I am working loose over here. And in every single crochet you are going to make a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 more. In this way we are going to complete this round, and we are going to make these rounds of double crochet 5 times total. In total we are going to make 5 lines of this double crochet. See what a beautiful golden color has came now. So once you have completed your 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 rows, you are now going to make the hole for our, now we are going to work the part of our thumb. So for this, what you have to do is, you have to double crochet, chain 3, and you have to double crochet into the 12 stitches. 1 2. So now listen, this will also be counted as our first double crochet. So 1 2 and 3. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. You can see, if you found it a bit tighter, we are going to do like this. So you can make one more double crochet. So now in total we have 13 double crochets. What we are going to do next is we are going to join this part by bringing it over here and into the third chain of our starting work. We are going to make a slip stitch and make it like this. So now you can see our hole for the thumb is ready. Now chain 3 and do single crochet in each of the single crochet all the way around till the length you want of your thumb to be. So here I have done, this was my first round that I have done over here. I'm going to make 2 more and then a line of single crochet, as you can see.